In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Call of Duty Warzone if it's not launching. Whether you're eager to jump back into Verdansk or tackle your latest mission, encountering launch issues can be quite the frustration. Luckily, with just a few straightforward steps, we can troubleshoot and resolve this problem in about 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening your Steam app. This might seem obvious, but ensuring you're inside the Steam client is the first key step. It organizes your library and gives you access to the games you own. Now, if you're not already logged in, you'll want to click on the login button. Once you reach the login screen, simply enter your account name and password. Remember to double check your details, as a simple typo might prevent access. After inputting your credentials, click on sign in. This might take a second or two as it processes your information and logs you into your account. Once inside the Steam homepage, you'll want to head over to your library. Clicking on Library on the top menu bar will bring up a list of all the games you own or have installed. For this video, we're focusing on Call of Duty Warzone, but the process is applicable to other games as well. Next, locate Warzone in your list of games, or you can follow along with a similar game like Counter-Strike 2 just for practice. Once you've found Warzone, right-click on its name, a drop-down menu will appear, and from there you'll select Properties. This will open a new window that provides various options for that game. In the Properties window, navigate to the Installed Files section. Here you'll find the option to verify the integrity of the game files. Click on this option. Steam will now take a few moments to check the game files and ensure everything is in order. This is particularly helpful for fixing files that might have been corrupted during installation. If you're still experiencing issues, it's time to check the Task Manager. Open it and search for Steam in the list of running processes. Right click on it and from the drop down menu select Details. Look for steam.exe within the detailed list. Right click again and this time choose End Process Tree. This step will completely shut down any remaining processes that might cause issues. Finally, relaunch the Steam app, but this time make sure you select Run as Administrator. This allows Steam to run with elevated permissions, which can solve a variety of underlying issues. Following these steps should help you get back into Call of Duty Warzone and ensure your game launches properly. Thank you for watching and happy gaming.